In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transactions in Intuit Quickbooks. If you're managing your finances using QuickBooks Online and need to track down a specific transaction, you're in the right place. Whether it's a specific purchase, a sale, or just a record you want to review, QuickBooks makes it relatively straightforward to find these entries. Let's get started by walking through the process. First, you're going to want to sign into your QuickBooks account. Simply navigate to the sign-in page, and if you haven't been here before, you'll find it user-friendly and intuitive. Once prompted, choose QuickBooks Online. This ensures you're accessing the correct service, as Intuit offers multiple versions of QuickBooks tailored for different types of users and businesses. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. You'll need your username or email and your password. Carefully type them in and then click on Continue. If you encounter any difficulties and cannot sign in right away, it might be helpful to double check for any typos or check your internet connection, as these are common issues. Once successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. You will notice a small magnifying glass icon. This is your gateway to searching for transactions within the platform. With a simple click on this icon, you'll open up a search dialog box. Within the dialog box, you'll see an option that says Advanced Transaction Search link located at the bottom. Go ahead and click on this link. This option is particularly useful as it allows you to refine your search for transactions with a range of customizable filters. These filters can include transaction type, date, or even amounts, making it much easier to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Now that you've accessed the advanced search function, you can enter the details of the transaction you're trying to find. Whether you know the exact date, the amount, or the name of the vendor or customer, this tool will help narrow your search results significantly. Once you've input the relevant details, simply click search, and QuickBooks will present you with a list of transactions matching your criteria. And there you have it. You've successfully found your transactions within Intuit QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage, review, and track all your financial data. Remember, regular checks and updates can help in maintaining accurate financial records, so it's a great tool to understand and utilize frequently within your business operations. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any further questions or need additional tips, be sure to revisit this video for a quick refresh. Happy bookkeeping, and see you next time.